And here's how to join official Blox Fruits Discord server. Go to your Discord and in this left-hand menu scroll down and click on Add a Server. And here click on Join a Server. In this invite link box, type here Blox Fruits and click on Join Server. And now you will directly jump into official Blox Fruits Discord server, just like so. Here you can see this is the official Blox Fruits server. Once you are in this server, you have to go to verification channel, and now you have to verify your account here. So in this message box, type here /verify, and now all you have to need to follow these next steps to verify your account. And this is how we can actually join in official Blox Fruits Discord server. Thanks for watching.